To begin this trick, the magician takes out the 4 aces from the deck. Once he takes out the 4 aces, he shows that all the 4 aces are normal and there's nothing different about them. He then takes 12 cards from the bottom of the deck. Now the magician shows that all the cards are different. And then he takes the 4 aces from the side. The magician flips over the 12 random cards and now takes out the 4 aces. Now the magician takes 3 random cards and puts it under each ace. The magician takes the first ace, the ace of clubs. He flips it over and asks the spectator to keep his or her eyes on the ace of clubs. The ace of clubs, and the ace of clubs has magically changed into a random card. He shows that none of the cards have any backs to it. Now the magician takes the next ace, the ace of hearts. He reveals that the ace of hearts has not vanished yet. Now he reveals that it has indeed vanished. He shows that all of the cards don't resemble the ace, and it has completely disappeared. Now the magician takes the last ace, the ace of dice. He flips it over and places it in the middle of the deck. He shows the ace of dice, and he tells the spectator to keep his eye on the face down card. He shows that the ace indeed has vanished once again. Now the magician turns his attention over to the pile on the ground. He shows that the aces have indeed transported. The spectator is indeed shocked.